Hello everyone. Let's learn how to make animated videos. Let's open Canva. Uh, let's choose color. And I'm gonna take letter A. You can choose any of the different kind of letters from the elements. I'm just, I just duplicated. This is for the shadow. Make sure the shadow is also of the same size. Now let's take a shape for the grouping and make sure that the color is the same, and we can choose the gradient so that we can make it transparent just like this. Yeah, this one will make the color transparent. Okay, now it's almost transparent. We can use this box for the shadow. Duplicate. Yeah. So now we have a shadow of the alphabet. Now we can go ahead and choose one more shape. This is for the grouping. Yeah, this one is for the grouping. And select all and group. Yep. Now go to the second section of this. Yeah, for this we have to choose the same color, and now we have to add the text box. You can create a text box like this. Let's change the color. And the font. Now go and we can search apple. Yeah. You can choose any of the apple as per your choice. I'm gonna choose the red one because we are choosing the red color here for the alphabet as well. This is for the group. Oh, yeah. Yes. Grouping is done. We can align. Now create a duplicate page for this. This will be used for the transition. So you want to make some transition. Yeah. Yes. Make one more duplicate for this one. You can choose any of the transition. I'm gonna choose match and move and apply it to all the slides. Almost ready. Thank you guys.
You can duplicate this slide for the rest B to Z alphabets and make your animated phonics song video. Thank you.